Today, we are happy to introduce a new item in the iSport series, iSport 30. iSport 30 is a small gym bag made of 600D polyester fabric. It features lightweight, water resistance, tear resistance and abrasion resistance. It is suitable for swimming, yoga and many other sports activities. At the same time, it can also be used as a daily bag or a bag for short distance travel with dimensions that meet size restrictions for most airlines. On the front, there are two yoga mat straps that provides a convenient space for a full-size yoga mat. In addition, there is a large zipper moist separated compartment for swimsuit, swim caps, goggles, towels or other wet clothes to keep them separated from dry items. On one side, we have a zippered pocket with a key holder for commonly used items for easy access. On the other side, we have a separate shoe compartment, suitable for all kinds of sneakers. The zipper main compartment has enough capacity to hold all necessary gym items for a day with 3 mesh pockets inside for organization. iSport 30 is designed to be carried in multiple ways: carry with hand, carry on the shoulder, slung across the body or fasten it on the wheeled luggage. Hope you will like it.